How to get the speed mode on UC browser app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to use and get the speed mode on UC browser. First thing, go to the browser. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go down and click on those three lines, and here on this page you will find many options. Click on the tools option. After you click on tools, here you will find some options. Or what you have to do is click on the speed mode right here in the top corner, and now from here you can use the speed mode. As you can see, you can manage everything from here. You can make it, for example, Yahoo Light, others, desktop. You can manage all these and more. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.